After completing round 3, let's start round 4. For round 4, begin with a chain stitch. Round for pattern, single crochet, increase, single crochet per set. In the first stitch, make a single crochet. 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through. That's 1 single crochet. Mark this first stitch with a stitch marker. Then, make an increase. An increase means 2 single crochets in the same stitch. In the next stitch, make 1 single crochet. That completes 1 set. 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 1 single crochet, that's 1 set. Now, continue the second set. One single crochet, 1 increase, one single crochet, this completes the second set. Let's do the third set. 1 single crochet, make sure it's a cross-stitch single crochet. 1 increase, then another single crochet. This completes the third set. Now continue the fourth set. While crocheting, use your middle finger to hold the loops on the hook. This prevents the loops from slipping off. 1 single crochet, 1 increase, with practice, your piece will be more even, without loose or tight spots. This completes the fourth set. Now, continue the fifth set. 1 single crochet, 1 increase, then 1 single crochet. That's the fifth set. Now, continue the sixth set. 1 single crochet, 1 increase, then 1 single crochet. That's the sixth set. This completes the fourth round. After finishing, remove the marker from the first stitch. Slip stitch. Then make a chain stitch. This starts round 5. Round 5 is 3 single crochets and 1 increase as a set. Start with a single crochet in the first stitch. If you don't make a single crochet here, the stitch count will be off. 1, 2, 3, then an increase. An increase means making 2 single crochets in one stitch. Now, continue the second set. 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 increase. That's the second set. Now for the third set. 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, then 1 increase. That's the third set. Let's move to the fourth set. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, 3 single crochets, then 1 increase. Now continue the fifth set. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, 3 single crochets, then 1 increase. Now continue the sixth set. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, 3 single crochets, then 1 increase. This completes the fifth round. After finishing, you can see all slip stitches are aligned in this row. If yours shifts left or right, you've made a mistake. Now, slip stitch into the first stitch. After the slip stitch, make a chain stitch. Starting round 6. Round 6 is 2 single crochets, 1 increase, 2 single crochets as a set. Repeat for 6 sets. Let's demonstrate. In the first stitch, start with 1 single crochet. Place the marker. Then, make a second single crochet. Now, an increase. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets. Continue with 2 more single crochets. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets. End of the first set. One V-shape is 1 stitch. This forms 1 set. Two single crochets, 1 increase, 2 single crochets form a set. Now for the second set. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, 1 increase. Then another single crochet. 2 single crochets. That's the second set. Now for the third set. 1 single crochet. 2 single crochets. 1 increase. Then 1 single crochet. 2 single crochets. That's the third set. Now for the fourth set. 1 single crochet. 2 single crochets. Then 1 increase. Then another single crochet. 2 single crochets. That's the fourth set. Now for the fifth set. 1 single crochet. 2 single crochets. 1 increase. One single crochet. 2 single crochets. Now for the last set. 1 single crochet. 2 single crochets. 1 increase. Finally, 2 single crochets. 1 single crochet in each. Now round 6 is complete. After finishing, slip stitch into the first stitch. Pull tight. Next, start round 7. First, make 1 chain stitch. Round 7 is 5 single crochets and 1 increase as a set. Repeat this 6 times. Let's begin. Start with the first set. 1 stitch. Place the marker. Each round, place the marker after the first stitch. Second stitch. Third stitch. Fourth stitch. Fifth stitch. Then make an increase. Increase means 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. This completes the first set. Now for the second set. Third stitch. Fourth stitch. Then an increase. That's the second set. Now for the third set. Fourth stitch. Fifth stitch. Then an increase. That's the third set. Now for the fourth set. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, 3 single crochets, 4 single crochets, 5 single crochets, then an increase. Now for the fifth set. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, 3 single crochets, 4 single crochets, 5 single crochets, then an increase. Now for the last set. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, 3 single crochets, 4 single crochets, 5 single crochets, then an increase. This completes round 7. After that, make a slip stitch. Then chain 1. Crochet round 8. Count like this: 1, 2. Continue crocheting round 8. Start at the first stitch. Rounds 8 to 12, crochet 42 single crochets. No increases, no decreases. 1, 2, 3, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 20 到3, 20到4, 20到5, 20到6, 20到8, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 42, end of round 8. Now slip stitch here. This completes round 8. In the next stitch, make a slip stitch. That ends round 8. Chain 1. Start round 9. Always add a stitch at the slip stitch point. Single crochet. Add a stitch marker. Single crochet. 2 single crochets. 3 single crochets. 4 single crochets. 5 single crochets. 6 single crochets. 7 single crochets. 8 single crochets. 9 single crochets. 10 single crochets. 11. 13. 14. 16. 17. 19. 20. 21. 22. 20到3 20到4 20到5 20到6 20到7 20到8 20到9 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 Single crochet again. Then slip stitch here. Start round 10. Chain 1 first. Single crochet in the first stitch. 安天天 stitch marker. Second stitch. Four. Nine. One. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 20到3 20到4 20到5 20到6 20到7 20到8 20到9 30 32 33 34 30 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Round 10 completed. Make a slip stitch. Round 10 completed. Start round 11, chain 1. Make a single crochet in the first stitch. First stitch. Place the stitch marker. Then, second stitch. 3, 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 22, 20到3, 20到4, 20到5, 20到6, 20到7, 20到8, 20到9, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, Round 11 completed. Remove the stitch marker. Make a slip stitch in the first stitch. Tighten the loop. Start round 12. Chain 1. Make a single crochet. Place the stitch marker. Make the second stitch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 20 到4, 20到5, 20到6, 20到7, 20到8, 20到9, 30, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Last stitch. Slip stitch in the first stitch. Pull through. Tighten the loop. Chain 1. Round 12 completed. Now, let's count. After completing round 12, proceed to round 13. Round 13, 5 single crochets, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times. Let's start. First stitch, single crochet. Place the stitch marker. Next, 2 single crochets. 3 single crochets. 4 single crochets. 5 single crochets. Demonstrating the decrease stitch. The half closest to you is the inner loop. The half farthest from you is the outer loop. Insert hook into inner loops of 2 consecutive stitches. First stitches inner loop. Second stitches inner loop. You have 3 loops on the hook. Pull through the first 2 loops. Then pull through the remaining 2 loops. That's the decrease. 5 single crochets, 1 decrease. Second set. 1 single crochet. 2 single crochets. 3 single crochets. 4 single crochets. 5 single crochets. Let's review the decrease stitch. Insert hook into 2 consecutive inner loops. Pull through the first 2 loops. Then pull through the last 2 loops. That completes the decrease. Now for the third set. 1, 2, 3, 'Then, 8 decrease. Third set done, now for the fourth set. Fourth set, starting the fourth set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, 8 decrease. Starting the fifth set. 3, 4, 'Then, 8 decrease. Alright, let's do the last set. 1 single crochet. 2 single crochets. 3 single crochets. 4 single crochets. 5 single crochets. Then, 8 decrease. Round 13 is complete. After finishing, slip stitch into the first stitch. Pull it tight. Now continue round 14. Start with a chain stitch. For round 14, 4 single crochets, 1 decrease, repeated 6 times. 1 single crochet. Place the stitch marker. 2 single crochets. 3 single crochets. 4 single crochets. Then, 8 decrease. 2 single crochets, 3 single crochets, 4 single crochets, 1 decrease. Now for the third set. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, 3 single crochets, 4 single crochets, then a decrease. Now for the fourth set. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, 3 single crochets, 4 single crochets, then a decrease. Fifth set, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, 3 single crochets, 4 single crochets, then a decrease. Now continue the last set. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, 3 single crochets, 4 single crochets, then a decrease. Pull through all loops, then slip stitch into the first stitch. Round 14. After finishing, we move to round 15. Start with a chain stitch. Round 15. 3 single crochets, 1 decrease, repeated 6 times. First single crochet. Place the stitch marker. Second single crochet. Third single crochet. Then a decrease. That's the first set. Continue the second set. 1, 2, 'Then a decrease. Second set done, moving to third set. 1, 2, 'Then a decrease. On to the fourth set. 1, 2, 'Then a decrease. One, 2, 3, then a decrease. Continue the sixth set. Last set. 1, 2, 3. Then, a decrease. Round 15 complete. Slip stitch into the first stitch. Chain 1. Round 16, 2 single crochets, 1 decrease, repeated 6 times. Place the stitch marker. Then 2 single crochets. Then, a decrease. That's the first set. Second set, 1 single crochet. 2 single crochets. Then, a decrease. Third set. 1 single crochet. 2 single crochets. Then, a decrease. One single crochet. 2 single crochets. Then, a decrease. One single crochet. 2 single crochets. Then, a decrease. Last set. 1 single crochet. 2 single crochets. Then, a decrease. After finishing, make a slip stitch. Then, chain 1. Cut the yarn. Tighten the loop. The head is finished. Set it aside for now.